I got a survey this morning from Jen, who had asked if we had all the right tools to do our job from home. So what I'm wondering about is, how would I get one of these things loaded up on Zycus, approved and sent to my house?
So we've always been on my team a little bit of work from home. We travel a lot. We're always out in dealerships or working with our national clients. And other than that, we're home office a few days a week. So that hasn't been too different, except now it's home office all the time and there's no airports or Marriotts in between. So I'm a little surprised at how much I miss Courtyard Marriott's.
I'm always based from my home office when I'm not out seeing customers. The background behind me is the Crazy Mountains. They're probably aptly named on Sundays, and they're about 10 minutes from me. So when things in the office are stressful, I can go outside and hike or mountain bike or fly fish. So I'm in a pretty good part of the world to be quarantined.
And when I think about my days and how do I make the most of my days and how do I manage work-life balance, I think that's a good thing for me, just to think about how do I want to be remembered as a husband, as a dad, as a grandfather. How do I want to be remembered professionally in the work that I do, or socially for the ways I might serve my community, or how do I want to be known in terms of my own health and wellness or finance. So if it's important to be a good spouse, what kind of time are you dedicating to your spouse? If it's important for you to be a good parent, what kind of time are you setting aside for your kids?
What we've done is communicate and schedule out when we have essential meetings, when I have a dealer meeting, or if they're taking an AP test, or my wife has a meet with students in her class. We make sure that the rest of us are being mindful of our Wi-Fi use so that each of us can get a chance to be uninterrupted.
It's interesting to hear over dinner how many times I've used the word pivot, adapt, fluid, adjust, and any word you could find in the thesaurus that goes along with those as far as what we're doing in this whole pandemic.
The biggest adjustment hasn't even really been so much for myself as it has been for my family. We are just used to me being gone Monday through Thursday and home on the weekends. So me being home has been a big adjustment for my wife, who I guess I don't quite do things the way that she has her schedule here at the house. So I'm a bit of a disruption of that, but that's okay. She still loves me anyway.
I really hope everyone stays safe and stays healthy out there. And I look forward to seeing some of you out on the road real soon.